AIADMK MPs have staged protests and they have been suspended from the parliament. And joining us live on that story to give us more details is my colleague Suesha, who's outside the parliament. Now, these MPs have been suspended over ruckus over the Hooch tragedy. Let me come to you, Suesha, on this. Tell us more detail about what really went in the parliament that led to the suspension of the AIADMK leaders. All right, those are the MLAs who've been suspended from the assembly. Viewers, I beg your pardon. This is over the Hooch tragedy. Suesha, if you can hear me, please take our viewers through this suspension of the AIADMK MLAs who were suspended following their protest in the assembly in Chennai over the Hooch tragedy.
Yes, this is the latest development that also happened, Kriti. Let's quickly take our viewers through it because the Hooch tragedy has certainly become a big talking point in Tamil Nadu, and especially how the DMK government has dealt with the entire matter. This is exactly what happened in the assembly. AIADMK MLAs were suspended from the assembly for a day following the ruckus over Hooch tragedy. Now, obviously, the AIADMK has been up in arms against the DMK over the deaths and the death toll in particular that has been mounting over the illicit spurious liquor consumption, and how the DMK government has not taken any responsibility whatsoever except for saying that they will fix things. The AIADMK has been constantly questioning the DMK over this particular matter. We also saw how Kamal Hassan reacted to this, where he said that the people themselves also need to take responsibility for their own lives. But it doesn't stop there, because it is the DMK that is just watching how the death toll has been mounting, but no transparency or no accountability really on what they are doing to fix the perpetrators who are responsible for the production of such spurious liquor openly in the market and the death toll that has been rising. Now, this, as the AIADMK has made it a huge political point where they are questioning the DMK. In fact, massive ruckus that was witnessed in the assembly, and the latest, of course, that came in that AIADMK MLAs were suspended from the assembly for a day following that ruckus over the Hooch tragedy.
Well, all right, viewers, let's tell you once again that these are the AIADMK MLAs who have been suspended from the assembly in Chennai for their protests over the Hooch tragedy that has now claimed the lives of at least 58 people.